Thank you for visiting Leducation Virtual Show and stopping at the Waldmann lighting display. Our display is featuring several new products, including our new STARLINE series of downlights. So please take a look at all of our videos. Waldmann has always designed our products around ergonomics and visual comfort for our end users, and we continue this philosophy with our new micro and PIKO cylindrical downlights. With downlighting, glare is always an issue, so to solve this problem, Waldmann has engineered two unique LED optic systems to achieve comfortable unified glare ratings, or UGR. Using specifically designed microprism reflectors, we shape light precisely to comfortable UGR values well below the office norm of less than 19, while offering narrow to wide beam angles. Micro models come with a choice of beam angles of 35, 55, and 75 degrees. The PIKO has a popular pinhole look with a unique crisscross light beam that limits UGR below 19 at a wide beam angle of 60 degrees. The decorative fixtures feature a high-quality powder-coated metal tube in ceiling suspended or ceiling surface mounting. The micro and PIKO decorative cylindrical tube downlights can be complemented with our full line of office STARLINE products, including our linear lighting system, to complete any office design. Please visit our website for more information or call your rep to schedule a demo. Thank you for visiting.